In question 22, we're given this shape, which is split up into two. So if you look at the top part, it consists of a rectangle which is W wide and 34 centimeters wide. And the bottom rectangle consists of an 18 centimeter wide rectangle, a 9 centimeter wide rectangle, and two rectangles that are both W wide. And we have to work out what W is. So what I'm going to use is this model, and all I'm going to do is put these two W's together on this side and bring this 18 centimeter and 9 centimeter rectangle to this side. Now that I've rearranged it, I can see W plus 34 is the same as W plus W plus 9 plus 18. So let me add these two numbers together first. So I have 9 plus 18. Now I know 18 plus 9 is 27. Because what you can do is here, you have two lots of 9, and here you have one lot of 9. So we want 1 plus 2, which is, we want 3 lots of 9. And if you know your 9 times table, it's 9, 18, 27. And that's a shorthand way of doing that. So I now know that these two equal 27. So let me just write that there, 27 centimeters. Now to make this easier, what I can do is I can take away a W from the top and a W from the bottom. So now what I have is this 34 centimeters is the same width as 27 centimeters plus W centimeters. So I can write that here. 34 equals W plus 27. Now what I can do is take away 27 from both sides. So let me do that calculation here. 34 take away 27. 4 take away 7 we can't do. So we go to the neighbour, cross the 3 out, that becomes 2. And the one we've borrowed turns this 4 into 14. Now it's 14 take away 7. And that's 7. And 2 take away 2 is nothing. So our answer is 7. So if I take 27 away from here and 27 away from here, I'm left with 7 and I'm left with W here. So my answer now is W equals 7. Now we've worked out this value for W and it's 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. In question 23, we're given a table of values, A in the first column and B in the second column. And A goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, and B goes from 9, 19, 29, and 39. And we're asked to find a rule or complete the rule. They've given us B equals something multiplied by A, take away something. And we need to find these two. Now with this sort of question, what you can do is look at the difference between each term. So if that's your first term, that's your second term, third term, fourth term, and it has a value of 9, 19, 29, and 39. What's the difference between there? I can see we're adding 10. And from there to there, I can see we're adding 10. And again, from 29 to 39, we're adding 10. So now, this is a clue, because I can look at this as the 10 times table with a slight difference. Now, if I had my 10 times table, my first value would not be 9, it would be 10. And my second number would be 20. And my third number would be 30. And my fourth number would be 40. And so on, I could carry on. But if I look carefully, what do I need to multiply A by to get 10? So I need to multiply A by 10. Now if A here is 1, 10 times 1 is 10. But my answer for B is not 10, is it? It's 9. So what do I need to take away? I need to take away 1. Let me try it on the next one. The value for A is 2. 10 times 2 is 20. Take away 1 is 19. And that's what I've got there. Let me try it for the third one. The value for A is 3. So I'm going to replace or substitute A with 3. So it's 10 times 3, which is 30. Take away 1, which is 29. So if I go across here, my answer is 29. Now this should work as well. So the value for A is 4. So I'm going to replace this A with a 4. So it will be 10 times 4, which is 40. Take away 1, which is 39. So if I go from here across, my answer is 39. So this is my rule. You take the value for A, multiply it or times it by 10, and then you take away 1.